everyone, and welcome to this dust on my screen. Show Ammonite Design Studio. Why is this so loud? Turn that down. Don't track me. Yo, welcome to the Wet Rooms. A game I inadvertently paid money for. So I'm really excited about it. You know, I'm like, wow. Tap and escape the ads. Didn't I pay money for this? What are you talking about? Well, you can run faster than that, man. Yo, this is so liminal. Alright, I'm not having these ads. Yo, welcome back. Yo, you journey. Fuck you. Yeah, you know what? Fine. Yeah. Sure. Bingo Blitz. Sure, anyway. Yo, welcome. It's the back rooms. Sure. Oh. Sorry, I turned that. They have like 3 splash sound effects and they just sort of loop them randomly. Or just one. Oh no, there we go. That one doesn't sound very good. That one sounds like when you call like wet socks or something. Sure, get out of there. Whoa. Run. Sure, this way. Yo, these sound effects rule. They're so good, guys. These sound effects are so obtrusive. What the hell? Is this recording? Yes. Sure. Battle Cats? Oh yeah, I've seen. I see all that. Yeah, I know that one. Influencers have recommended it. Whoa, oh, hell yeah! I can only run for a few seconds in the water, apparently. Sure, how the fuck do I get out of here? Am I supposed to go this way? Is there an exit somewhere? Yo, it's a duck. Holy duck, gamers. Wait, can I use the rubber duck? Yo. No. This, like, water sound effect is awful. And it should be ashamed of itself for existing. Is this just a dead end? What the hell? Get out of there. That's what I thought. Sure, into the void. For God's sake, just go into the void. For fuck's sake. I don't want to take in the ambience. Alright, apparently no, this is just a dead end. Now I have to go back to the door. This should actually be lit from this distance, but it's not. I love the pace. It's good stuff. So I'm back here. Sure, climb out here. Why couldn't I move for a second there? These sound effects are like really bad. It's really hard to be invested. Okay. I can't go back. Fuck you, man. Maybe I can go through the hole in the wall. Like the ball of light. Yeah, I bet I can go through the ball of light. Every now and again I jump. Oh. Yo, I'm in. But apparently I could only go up and down the walls. I can't go in there. Well, what the fuck then? There wasn't a way out back here. That sound effect is really, like, ugly. Yeah, hey. Did you know, like, the way out of this shit? Because, like, I'm really lost and confused. A little scared. Sure, there it is. That's it. Surely. How did I miss that? There is no way I must have missed it. I guess it doesn't matter. Tasty Traves. Oh. Wow. What a fun game. How do I skip this? Sure. That's awesome. You can go away now. I don't mind. Alright, awesome. Oh, man. So this music isn't ambient at all. Just so you know that. Run. Run. Great, there's another fucking duck. Oh, great, another duck. Sure. I love splashing the water around in my toilet. Sure, which way do I go now? Do I go this way? Or do I go that way? I think I go this way. Bit my tongue a little bit there. Use. Good stuff. Awesome. I don't know why I suddenly got pulled that way, but apparently. What the fuck is happening? Why can I not control my guy? Sure, I bet the rubber duck will do it. Sure, you'll help me out, right? Sure, I'm literally on the rubber duck right now. Can I drive him like a vehicle? Use. Alright. Oh, alright. Run. Run. Oh my god! You're supposed to soak in the ambience, Squid. Why are you even getting angry about this? Because there's no ambience to soak in. I just feel like a big, like, fucking rock or something attached to me, man. Alright. Is there going to be another ad as I leave here? No. Is there, like, another place that I can go? Whoa, now I'm suddenly moving. But that is the exit. And I can't go back. Oh, dude. This is fantastic. Something happened. Yeah, she can move faster than that. Yeah, that's the classic rubber duck. Dude, stop it. Just run. Oh, there is more over here. Oh, thank God. The ambient quote-unquote music is playing, going hard right now. Can I use this? Nope. Alright, we'll just run them. Awesome. I can't go anywhere. This is so good. Wow. You know what I mean? What is this thing up the top? Continue? Oh, you bastard. Yeah, come on. Oh, you want me to do one? And then you'll let me... Come on, just fucking... How much of this ad do I have to endure? Oh my fucking god! Nothing's happening. Ah! So I fucking thought. Dude, this sucks. I'm done. Watch me as